Hello student. In today's session we will learn about different types of functions. So there are four types of functions: one-to-one function, many-to-one function, on-to function and into function. Now to understand these functions in detail, let us take some examples. Let us take set of x, set of y and define the function from x to y as f of x is equal to x power 2. Now let's do the mapping. If we observe the mapping, we'll see that every element in set y is linked with at least one element in set x. For example, the number 1 in set x is mapped with number 1 in set y. The number 2 in set x is mapped onto the number 4 in set y, and so on. Such kind of functions are known as onto functions, in which every element of set y is linked with at least one element in set x. Those kind of functions are known as one-to-one functions, where every element in set y has only one element or only pre-image in set x. Now let's change the nature of set. Let's add negative element in set x. For example, let's add -1, -2 and -3, and also let's add few elements in set y. For example, 49, 64, 100, and again do the mapping with the function being f of x is equal to x raised power 2. Now, if we observe the mapping, 49, 64, 100 are not linked with any element of set x. Such kind of functions where at least element in set y is not linked with any element with set x are known as into function. Also, if we look at the mapping now, we'll observe that 9, which was previously linked with 3, now is also linked with -3. These kind of mappings of functions are known as many-to-one functions because we have more than one element in set x mapped onto the set y. So one-to-one functions are also known as injective functions, and onto functions are also known as surjective functions. Together they are known as bijective functions. Thank you.